If you're anything like me, ordering at a bar is super intimidating. There's an element of knowing the unwritten menu, plus remembering what to say, and also thinking about the health of your drink. Sometimes it's just all too much. So today on Lingo on the Go, I'm going to share 3 glucose-friendly options I got at 3 different types of bars last night. Before we get into the options, it's important to mention that the optimal strategy for alcohol is this. Always pair it with protein, fat, and fiber-rich foods like chicken skewers, dry rub wings, pub salad, or even mussels. Rounding out your drinks with the right food helps slow down the glucose spike that can result from cocktails. Okay, let's get into what glucose-friendly drinks we ordered. The first is a classic, and probably the most straightforward.
Hi, do you guys have Brut sparkling wine? Awesome, I'll have a glass of that, thanks.
Brut is a great glucose-friendly option because it's drier and doesn't have as much added sugar as the other varieties. And who doesn't love a drink served in a champagne flute? Then we went to a more divey spot. There's no Brut there. Here's the go-to order.
Could I get a tequila soda with a splash of grapefruit juice and a lime, please?
Garnish it with a lime wedge, and this is what I call a low-sugar Paloma. The basic recipe here, though, is club soda plus your liquor of choice. Vodka, gin, you get it. And the last bar was more middle of the road. Not too fancy, not too divey.
Hey, do you guys have mojitos here? Awesome. Can I get one with no sugar?
The order here is a mojito with low or no sugar. You still get the minty lime flavor to balance out that rum bite, but without the sugar overload. Now you've got some drink options to fall back on the next time you're at a happy hour. Remember to order a few extra protein and fiber-rich apps to keep your drinks and your body company. Let us know if you have a go-to glucose-friendly drink order.